Hi, my name is Rashid Yasin. I am from Pakistan doing my bachelor's in computer science from NUS. I have built my skills in programming languages such as Java, C, C++, C Sharp and Python. Moreover, I am a website developer using WordPress and React.js, Next.js and from the backend part, Express.js, Node.js. Furthermore, I am a hacking enthusiast who is learning daily by daily about cybersecurity and developing some cool stuff in hacking, such as Wi-Fi password crackers and spoofing tools. If you are interested in having a lecture from me in Java or any other course that you like, if you say that we are going to start Java, we will be starting from scratch till advanced plus level in Java, such as we will be covering the OOP concepts, object-oriented programming concepts, and developing some Java GUI based apps such as using Java FX and Java C. So if you are interested, go and book a lesson from me. Thank you.